at very high speed, the AC ripples are more, and it creates a hysteresis, because the frequency is increases, and it creates a losses, eddy current losses and hysteresis losses. If the speed is slow, the ripples makes a ripple factor high, so that it cannot be filtered out by this RC filter, so that at very low speed and very high speed this AC tacho generator is also not suitable. For improving these two drawbacks, we can make a AC tacho generator of special type, that is called drag cup AC generator. Here is as shown in the figure, there is a drag cup. Drag cup AC generator is having a two windings. Number one winding is reference winding and another is quadrature winding. This drag cup is made up of aluminum, and it is of very light shape, and this shaft of this drag cup is connected to the rotating body, and this rotated, as soon as we want to measure the speed of the rotating body, this drag cup is moving, and this reference winding is supplied by a AC voltage. It is of almost 400 Hertz AC voltage, very high frequency AC voltage, so that this winding creates a EMF in this drag cup AC, and this drag cup ferromagnetic type rotor. It is made up of aluminum, and it is already short circuited. It produces a eddy currents in it, and these eddy current produces a flux of rotating flux, which produces a EMF in the quadrature coil. This quadrature coil is directly this speed of the quadrature, the voltage across this winding and its frequency shows the speed of the rotating drag cup rotor. Hence there is no moving part as such as carbon bushes, and these all can be rectified, and this voltage is of very high frequency. The same frequency is produced in this quadrature coil, and the magnitude of voltage is directly proportional to the speed of rotating body. It means drag cup. So as the drag cup is stationary, there is no output voltage in the quadrature coil. There is no output voltage in the quadrature coil. Hence we can directly measure the speed of the rotating body, means this drag cup, with the help of magnitude of this voltage, as well as the frequency is the same as the supply frequency or reference voltage winding frequency. Hence both the disadvantages can be rectified, and this is the best AC tacho generator, which is highly precise and used for industrial purpose. Thanks.